All right, we're going to work with Boxman's head here. So I gave you a pic to start off with in Google Classroom. And now this is the left-hand side, and we're going to edit 5 of the 6 sides to look like this. So we're going to start off in Edge, and on Edge, I'm going to go down here to connect vertices, or I'm sorry, insert vertex. So I click this button down here to highlight, and then I'm just going to follow the middle, and I've got to do it in all 3 places. So I'm going to hit once on the top, best I can to center it up, then once in the middle, and then once down here at the bottom. If I just right here go to vertices from here, and there should be a connect bit again down here at the bottom, and if I hit that, it should connect it with the line. If I want to change it a little bit, I'm already on move. If I think one of them's a little off, maybe the middle one's a little far over, I can just pull it a little bit and see if I can straighten it up. That doesn't look too bad, and maybe I'll pull the bottom one over there to the left and see if I can straighten that up. Okay, you get the main idea, right? So if you don't think they're straight, you can try to give them a little pull one way shape from another and see if you can get them to straighten out a little bit for you. All right, so sadly, we have to repeat that on several different sizes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that back where it was. So that was the left. As you can see, the front looks like it's done. And actually, the front is done. That's good. So the left and the front I got done, but I haven't touched the top. And this right-hand side I haven't done. I mean, like I said, it looks like it's done, but if you'll change the view, you can see that it's not quite done. I'm still going to need to do all 3 things here. So if I go to right, again, if I feel like maximize it, I would just, again, repeat the process. Go over here to vertices, or I'm sorry, edges, click top. Oh, sorry. We're going to insert vertex, and I'm going to click top, click middle, click bottom, switch back to points, and I'm going to connect them all. And now if we take a look, now that line's been drawn down the middle. So now I've got, 3 of the 4 that I need to do. I still need to do that side, which is back, and I still need to do all the lines on the top. I don't want to touch the bottom, but see if you can go and you can turn those lines into there. Now, once you get this done and you get it done in all 4 spaces, then we're going to start manipulating a little bit. And again, how we're going to manipulate these, we're going to leave these things on vertex. And once we leave these things on vertex, now we're going to probably put this little bit in here to inside, and then I'm going to draw a box around them, and I'm going to start manipulating them. Probably going to come in and down. And even if I flip it over, this was the right hand view. If I go back and look at the back or the front, I'm going to probably go back and look at the front view for a minute. And if I look at the front view, I'm also probably going to go in and down on the front view. So I might even grab both sets of boxes. So eventually I'm just going to start doing a bunch of tapering here. And I'm not able to do all of it right now with what I've got set up, but try to make it symmetric. And then again, try to make it start looking like a head. Right hand view, I'm going to bring those down. I'm going to bring them in a little bit. And even that, again, we're going to switch over to another view. And I'm going to pop back here, and you're going to see that this is going to start looking rounded off. Use the ones in Google Classroom to get the idea. And then the bottom, we're just going to extrude like the video talks about. We're going to do some things and extrude that. But again, we're going to shape it first, and I need all 4 of these boxes on. 5 out of the only one it's not going to be on is going to be the bottom, but I need it on the other 5 things. We're going to use that using the same thing we made crates with. Try that.